Hi, I'm Kevin McLaughlin from ChannelWeb, and I'm here today with Charles Hunger from Canonical. Charles, you're here at Exchange talking about the new partner program that you're building around Ubuntu Linux. I was hoping that you might be able to just talk a little bit about what that's going to entail for partners and how you're recruiting people for the program.
So we are here at Exchange specifically to highlight awareness around Canonical's new channel partner program. We're looking for channel partners that we can bring into our Ubuntu ecosystem to help bring awareness of Ubuntu and also to highlight solutions based on open source.
Now, obviously right now is probably a pretty good time to be talking about a technology that's based on open source. Do you expect there to be more interest now in Ubuntu as a result of companies looking to cut costs?
Absolutely. Given the last kind of what's gone on in the world markets in the last 6 months, we've absolutely seen an increase in the interest and the inquiries we get around Ubuntu, and specifically around paid commercial support for it.
What sort of challenges are involved in recruiting partners to come over to the Linux side, maybe if they've been standardized on Microsoft for a while? Or is that a challenge that you're coming up against, and how are you addressing that?
We do come up against that challenge quite a bit. As you know, Microsoft has done a great job of recruiting a whole partner network and training and educating that force. What we found is that it is absolutely a challenge to go out into the marketplace and find partners with a fair amount of Linux expertise in-house. And that's one of the reasons we wanted to come to Exchange, is to highlight awareness. And we've actually been approached on the show floor numerous times by partners coming up and introducing themselves to us and wanting to know more about the program.
Now, I would assume that you see Red Hat as maybe your biggest competitor out there. How do you intend to differentiate your program from Red Hat's and sort of compete with them?
Sure. Well, Red Hat has done a good job in the commercial Linux space. But if you think about their partner model, it's essentially not very different from Microsoft. It's all around licensing and operating system. Ubuntu is completely license free. So the partners who have made an impact and had a success with the program are the ones who sort of buy a portion of it from us. They'll come to Canonical and they'll buy the commercial services from us, the commercial support, and then they'll go out into the marketplace and wrap some of their own professional services around it and deliver that to the customers.
Any specific goals that you're looking for in terms of the numbers of partners that you want to sign up?
No, we don't really want to drive this on a numbers basis. I think those of us in the channel have the feeling that if we had a hard number or a quota that we were trying to recruit, that it would lead to the inclusion of partners who maybe weren't the best fit for the program. So we're really trying to go out and find ones who are enthusiastic and will help us build this.
I guess finally my question would be, what in your opinion is the biggest misconception that exists out there about Linux in general?
Probably that it's still hard to use, that it's for geeks only. One of the things that we've done quite a bit of work with is on the ease of use and the ability for people who don't have a deep Linux expertise to be able to set up a server and put that server in an environment with a very minimum of effort and hassle.
Okay, great. Well, Charles, thanks very much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.